All right, check it out. I just got this, and we're gonna see what we think about it. Let's unbox this bad boy. Here's what's inside of it. So supposedly it's the camera, comes in a special case. See if I can get it out of the box. There we go. All right, we got it. Close this up, look inside, make sure there's nothing else. Put that right there. Okay, so here's the case it comes in. It's sweet. It's nice. Unzipper. Pops it up. It's got this. I don't know what we're going to do with that. Get rid of it. Oh, it came back. And here it is. The camera itself. Let me set the case down. Let's take it out. All right, bam. There it is. So check it out. Well, it's got a pretty good size screen on it. It shows it turning, let's see, like this. So you can do horizontal or you can do like the vertical. And it's showing you where the all the stuff goes in. Over here, there's the USB-C, and I think that's a microphone plug there. You see? Yeah, it looks like that's what that is. And over here, you've got some controls, right? And on this side, you've got some controls. And you flip it, and I think that there should be somewhere where you put a card. Yeah, here, look. There's another one on this side. All right, so on this side, you've got an out plug, and you've also got micro SD card. So I don't know if it comes with a micro SD card. We're gonna have to look. But this, then you can take that off there, because this was giving you some direction on it. All right, so that's that. That's the camera itself. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-A cord. It also comes with this handle thing, which I think that there's somewhere on here that you would connect it. I don't know where, but oh look, we gotta take that off. All right, let's set that right there for a second. Get rid of that. It does come with a 64 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme, which this is good. I mean, these things cost you $30, so it comes with a card reader. Check it out. Look at this. USB, right? You plug it into your computer, and it's got a micro SD, and I'm not sure what that one is. This is like that other type of card, but that's nice. See, that's a nice little extra thing that you get with it. It's called an all-in-one. I don't know if you guys can read that. And then there's, directions, and there's a cloth so you can clean the lens. And this keeps it from being wet. And that's basically it, man. That's what comes in your box. Now all we got to do is charge this bad boy up. And I don't know if it's got a charge or not, but I guess we could go ahead and try turning it on. I think this is the on button here. Maybe not. Maybe this is the on button. Oh, look at that. So when you do that, the head rolls back, and then you can see your person that you want to do a video of. So it does have a charge on it when you get it, right? So like I'm shooting this way, and what I'm seeing is all this, right? So if I turn it this way and point it at myself, you can see that's what you would be shooting. So this is your facing. And when you turn it off, it flips back. And you can see there's a bunch of different little information on here. You can see it's doing video. You can see there's a little like red dot here. It's 4K, 30 frames. And I think that this is touchscreen too. You know what I mean? I think it's touchscreen. So yeah, that looks pretty good. I mean, this could be kind of a cool little item that we could use and try out and see how good the video is. But and then if I turn it this way, you can shoot it like for TikToks, right? Like, here, look. I'm doing a TikTok now, you know what I mean, jelly beans? So yeah. And then to record, I think all you do is press this button here and it records. Let's see if it does. No card. I got to put the card in. I forgot about that. I got to do that. So yeah, so let me show you how you put the card in. All right, so we've got to go to this side, right? And there's where the card slot is. We're going to pop it open, just like that. And then we just got to shove the card in. So then we got to get our card, right? Let me set this down. Maybe I'll make a different video where you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So anyway, this is what all comes in the box. And I'm going to give you a couple new videos on this and show you how to use it, you know, and how to do the touch screen. You know, like you can change it. You know, it gives you a couple different options. But I'm going to need to shoot down with the tripod so that you can see what I'm doing. But that's what comes in the box. I think it's a kind of a cool little camera, and we're going to try it out and see what we think today. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.